Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to look at about Google search. I believe that everybody would have searched in Google at least once in their life. So today, what we're going to look at is how we can utilize Google search in the most effective way. I will give you 9 tips in today's video that would help you to efficiently and effectively search in Google. So let's get started. The tip number one is using a keyword called site. So what this site keyword does is exactly help you search a particular keyword where you provide the exact site. For example, if you want to search process mining as a keyword from a site called medium.com, it would search that exact process mining keyword from within the site medium.com. It would pull in all the different articles related to this keyword from this site. So if you want to search a particular site for a particular keyword, you can use this. First tip. Number two is using quotation mark. So what this does is basically it will help you to search exact phrase that is within the quotation mark. Like as I said, process mining, if you don't give the quotation mark, it will search for process or mining in the text that is there within the website. But if you give within the quotation mark, it will always search for process mining as a whole phrase together. That's what is tip number two. Number three is using double dots. Let's say you want to search for a product called LED lights from amazon.co.uk, and you want to search for all the LED lights between $5 and $10. Yeah. If you give the keyword LED lights within double quotation mark and you give $10, like $5, double dot, $10, and you give the site name, it will search from Amazon for all the for all the LED lights within this price range of $5 and $10. That's what this tip number three does. Yeah. So the next one is related to minus or hyphen. You can call it however you want. Yeah. If you want to exclude anything from your search, you can use this sign. Let's say you want to search laptop from amazon.co.uk. You would give the keyword as laptop and you give minus Dell. It will exclude all the Dell laptops and provide you all the different other laptops that are there in that website. So that's what this minus sign is for. So the next step is about file type. So what file type does is, say you want to search a particular file type, let's say PPTX, that is PowerPoint, from a particular website or Google, you can give the keyword and you can say the file type is to whatever the file type is, PPTX or XLSX. Once you provide that, it will give you a list of output that are only PowerPoints with that keyword. It can be from a single site or it can be from the Google itself. Yeah. I hope you get it. Yeah. The next step is OR. Let's say you want to search two different keyword with an OR, so which is represented by this single line, so pipe. So or you can use OR itself, OR. So let's say you want to search plumber or electrician from Instagram. So you would give that plumber within a double quote, that is searching the exact keyword phrase, or that is the pipe, electrician within that double quotes, and you give the site as instagram.com. http is to / instagram.com. This will help you search plumber or electrician within the instagram.com, and it will give you results within the Google search. Yeah. The next step is about using AND. So AND is just opposite of OR. So this would, if you give an AND, which is ampersand in this case, if you give AND, it will search both plumber and electrician from this site. So it will give you only output that has both plumber and electricians. So that is tip number 7. And tip number 8 is after. Yeah. Let's say you are searching for some article or some file type, let's say PPTX, but you want to search only after all the article that has been published after 2020. So you give this keyword after is to the 2020 then it will give you output as all the article after 2020, nothing before that. It can be 2021 or 2022 or 2023. So that's what is after. So the last step is before. So this is exact opposite of after. Say, let's say you want to search before 2020, the same keyword, that is SAP Analytics. You use this keyword before 2020, and it'll give you all the different articles, or like, if you want to search file type, okay, it'll give you all the files that has been posted in the web or in a particular site before 2020. That's what this particular keyword does. Yeah. So these are the 9 tips. With this, you can 10x your search time within Google, more productive or more efficient. I hope this is helpful. Okay, just try it out. Or if you want me to exactly show you how do I do the search with this particular tips, I'll show it to you in another video. I hope this video would have added some value to you. Just try it out and let me know. Yeah. If you have any comments, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. If you like this kind of content, and if you like the general content, what I do in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and let me know if you want me to do any specific video. I'll try and do it. Yeah. Thanks a lot for listening, guys. Okay. Until then, you have a good day. I'll see you with another video very soon. Take care. Bye.